Situated in the Garden Creek School District, this home offers income potential or an in-law suite.
Welcome inside 1494 Woodstock Road.
First, we have an open concept space with a propane fireplace and a ductless heat pump.
The bright eat-in kitchen has a coffee bar and doors to the back deck.
Down the hall, you'll find 3 bedrooms and the home's main bathroom.
The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom.
From the foyer, you also have access to the attached garage and the lower level.
The downstairs suite has 1 bedroom, a kitchenette, and a spacious living area.
Finishing off the lower level is the 5th bedroom and a family room, which offers a pellet stove and access to the shared laundry.
For more information on 1494 Woodstock Road,
Visit frederictonhomes.com.